Hi, I'm Carson, and
I'm Shane.
basically this video is just teaching you how to make yourself sneeze with a tissue, toilet paper,
Paper towel.
whatever really works, and it has to be cotton, and pretty much you're going to take your toilet paper, hold it like this, or paper towel, pull it down, grab it from where you grab it, and then start twisting it up all the way to the top, like so. And basically, you're going to take this. Well, and the farther you stick it up your nose is the easier it's going to be. And your eyes are going to water, your eyes are going to get red, and you're probably going to cough or laugh because it tickles and stuff. But here it goes, nothing, I guess. So, there's that. Here he goes. And basically, you're just going to sneeze. And you can do it through both nostrils. And so, well, subscribe to our channel.
You should try this too.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Might work, might not. Don't know. Never know unless you try. Thanks for watching.